Hello everyone and welcome to my Organizing Digital Photo course. If you're new here and you aren't sure who I am, my name is Jennifer, but you can call me Coco. My husband passed away from cancer a couple months after my twin boys were born. I started my blog, Coco's Caravan, soon after my husband passed away. It was healing to write, and I hoped that what I shared would help others who are also going through a hard time. I know my boys will love to see it as they get older. For obvious reasons, I'm now a huge advocate for taking pictures and capturing the moment. You never know what the future holds, and you never want to be in a position of regret for not taking or saving a photo. This is why I felt so strongly to make this course in hopes of helping people save those memories and be able to easily find them when they need them. Organizing photos has always come easily to me. If you asked me to find my wedding picture or a picture of my college car, I could pull it up for you within minutes. I realized this was a rare gift I had, and I wanted to help people be able to access their precious memories. By the time you finish this course, all your photos will be safe and backed up. You will know where they are and be able to view them when you want. You will be set up for automatic backup, so you will never worry about losing a photo. This will be a huge weight lifted off your shoulders, and you will feel happy to know your most precious memories are safe. Get ready to dive in with me. It'll be an investment of time on the front end that will save you countless of hours in the future. So let's go. All right, so what are we going to cover during this course? We're really going to focus on these three main areas: keeping your photos physically safe, digitally safe, and making a plan going forward so that our photos stay organized. The first part of the course is going to be all about how to store your photos so they're physically safe. And I'm going to talk about what that really means and why it's so important. And then I'm going to show you how to get all those photos on an external hard drive and go step by step through the process. The second part of this course is going to be focusing on keeping your photos digitally safe. What does that really mean and why it's so important to store your photos digitally? And then I'll go through a step-by-step process of how to get all your photos digitally safe on the cloud. The last part of the course is making a plan moving forward to keep your photos safe and organized. It's important to have a plan to prevent overflow of photos on your phone or computer. Then I'll show you how to automatically back up your photos to the cloud so you don't ever have to worry about losing your photos again.